In the previous video we have completed this part in the Zomato clone section, and now in this section we want to add the like this types of this to one. And I not in this video not this copy all these things, only I show you how you can do it, and this much also, and only I change the top section and this font. Now let's do it. First here I was created this h2 tag, and in this I have this section 5 h2, and come in the style.css where is let's p tag. This is a heading. Okay, inside the heading we have a h1 section 5 h1. Okay, here I give the let's give the font. Okay, this h1 is a, I think let's check this h1 is a, this is a h2. Okay, section 5 collapse heading, section 5 collapse heading, this one, this section 5 collapse heading. After that this p tag and not a hashtag. Let's add this, copy this again and paste it here and change the h2 and remove this color because I want a little bit bold, and this font size is 20 pixel, 25, as like this one. Yeah, font size I want to font weight is 300. Let's see. Yeah, now as like this one is display here. Yeah, and now I want to add the this two more for I not add the this section. You can copy and paste again by one, and just copy here this section. This is div, this is a p tag. Here all the data is coming from the JavaScript, and this one is a section. Just copy this again. You can change from the JavaScript. Here I was just copy here and change the name and all this other. After that come here and again this variable, this data variable, make a one file, and this all this one by one, and just copy this. You can see refer the my previous video how can this one do. And now this one, and only I want to change the name. Here come copy this, paste this here, and this one, and again copy I. Now this one, this one, and okay, one more. I want to paste this again and copy this again, paste this. Okay, now see this 4 are coming. When we click, see, because these are not working due to the why. Okay, this ID, because this ID is unique, that's why we want to do one by one for that. And now I want this much that you can do just I did it. Now we want to make our this Zomato footer section. Let's come for that, and I want to top section little bit margin. Come in the style side and here collapse 5, giving the margin top side 100 pixel. Yeah, now this is okay. We have completed this almost. In the next video we make in next video we completed this section starting this. I make this all the variable and change it again Don't worry, in the next video I teach you. If you cannot do, just let me comment this. Thank you for the watching.